Let's get physical, physical. I wanna get physical. Let's get into physical.
What's up, everybody? It's Chris G here with OpenHome. Back to you with another ability spotlight where we're showcasing the best of what our OpenHome developer community is coming up with. Today, I'm literally and physically pumped to tell you about our latest ability, and that is the exercise assistant. Now, the exercise assistant ability is pretty cool. You can install it, put it on your personality, and you're going to be able to specify a specific muscle group, and then it's going to come up with exercises that you can use in the gym to work out that particular muscle group. So if you're just getting started and you're not really sure where to start or what kind of exercises for a particular targeted muscle, or you've been a gym veteran and you want to change it up because you do the same lifts every single week and you want to find something new, but still get your volume for your particular muscle groups in, this is a great ability to check out. You can install it. It's going to give you specific exercise recommendations as well as walk you through on how to complete some of those exercises. So, love to showcase this for you today. Let's jump right into it, shall we? All right. So, as always, I'm in the OpenHome Marketplace. And I'm going to head on over to our abilities. And in this case, I'm going to search for our exercise assistant. And I'm going to pull that up and we're going to install that assistant. Let's go over here to our abilities. We're going to check if we got it installed, which we did. And our trigger words are give me exercises or give me an exercise for. And then we're going to change it up today. And let's actually search for a coach. So we have Finn, the fitness coach.
Hey, I'm Finn the Fitness Coach. Time to work hard, push your limits, and crush your goals. Are you ready to give it your all and make progress today?
Give me an exercise for my biceps.
I found 5 exercises matching your criteria. Muscle biceps, incline hammer curls, wide grip barbell curl, easy bar spider curl, hammer curls, easy bar curl. Would you like to know how to do any of these exercises? You can say the number or name of the exercise, or say no thanks.
Incline hammer curls.
Here's an exercise called incline hammer curls. It's a beginner-level exercise targeting the biceps. Instructions: seat yourself on an incline bench with a dumbbell in each hand. You should
And there you have it right there. You can see right from this conversation, I was able to specify a particular muscle group, pair that with the trigger words. It found 5 exercise matching my criteria, which in this case was for my biceps, and then proceeded to give me 5 bicep workouts I could do. And then I could specify, hey, I want a little bit more information about incline hammer curls. And then from there, it could walk me through how to do that. So these are really good cues you could have on if you have OpenHome open on your phone, you're in the gym, you're getting ready to put your workouts together for the week, and you want to come up with some variations in your fitness routine. All you need to do is open up any OpenHome personality and install the exercise assistant and get started with that today. In this case, we used Finn, the fitness coach, which is a personality created from our marketplace. So that was really cool. But as always, I want to give a big thank you to all of our developer community for coming up with all these cool, neat ideas. We love to showcase what you're working on. We appreciate all the hard work. Thanks again. And we're looking forward to showcasing another ability on the next one. I'm Chris G. Cheers.